steal the light. You came shining through the darkest night. Many hearts are trapped in wicked designs, lost forever in their criminal minds. But your love is like the morning sun, healing every battle that I have won. You lift my soul, you calm the tide, with truth and love standing by my side. No chain can bind what Jah has made. Real love will never fade. When the storm clouds fill the sky, your faithful heart keeps hope alive. Criminal minds can never break the sacred promise that we make. Our roots run deep like an ancient tree. Your heart forever belongs with me. Through every season, every climb, love is stronger than criminal minds. Criminal minds. Gold can't buy what your spirit brings. You're the melody my whole soul sings. No deception, no disguise, only truth reflected in your eyes. When the pressure keeps rising high, we stand together, you and I. One foundation, one destiny, bound by love and unity. No fear, no lies, no jealousy, only faith that sets us free. The fire burns, but love remains, washing away all hurt and pain. The world may stumble, kingdoms fall, but love is the greatest strength of all. Criminal minds will fade away. Love grows stronger every day. Deep roots reaching to the ground. In your embrace my peace is found. From every nation, every shore, one love forever, evermore. Criminal minds will lose the fight. True love always shines its light. Oh, keep the fire burning bright. Oh, keep the fire burning bright. Hold me through the longest night. Roots of love will always stand, blessing every heart across the land. Criminal minds may come and go, but our love forever grows.